Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to split a page in half vertically using PDF Element software. Open your PDF file and select Organize option, and here you'll find this split option. Now select split page. You can split all of this page. You can split custom page. I'll split first two pages. Timer on for 2, and this vertical line already apply. I delete one and select add vertical line. Also you can add a horizontal line. I'll select add vertical line. You can move this vertical line if you like, and simply select OK, and see this first two pages now split vertical. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.